Something unusual happened in a Denver courtroom. Prosecutors dismissed a first-degree murder case when testimony had already started. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kim Christensen.
And I'm Jennifer Meckles. For the first time during this trial, the district attorneys noticed a potential weapon in the victim's hand, which sparked the dismissal. Crime and Justice reporter Kelly Rinke shares more on how this all happened in court, Kelly.
Yeah, guys, the district attorney's office says prosecutors have reviewed that body camera footage numerous times before trial. On the first day of testimony, they realized that when the victim had been shot by the defendant, he was holding what's called a tactical pen. It's something you can use in self-defense, or you can even use it to break a window. Prosecutors charged a 23-year-old in April of 2023 with first-degree murder. We're not naming him because he's no longer facing criminal charges. He went to trial last month, so a little more than a year later. The Denver District Attorney's Office said an officer on scene moved the tactical pen that had fallen from the victim's hand. The pen wasn't photographed by the crime scene unit, and prosecutors didn't know it was there until the first day of testimony. They dismissed the case because it became clear they couldn't disprove self-defense beyond a reasonable doubt. According to Denver police, the officer who moved the pen was in his second week of field training. The department said the defendant didn't provide a statement to investigators and never asserted a self-defense claim. Our legal expert said people who are arrested can't be penalized for staying quiet.
The jury can't even be told that they remain silent. So the bottom line is, this individual did what he thought was best for him, and it really doesn't excuse the police for moving and not photographing the pen.
Public defenders represented this defendant, and in a statement they shared with us, his attorney said their client acted in self-defense to save himself and others from being violently attacked. And their client is frustrated it took until the evidence was presented at trial for the charge to be dismissed.